Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all had a splendid 2024 and are looking forward to a more productive 2025. In this video, I want to show you something that I've been using for the past few days. It's a Figma plugin that we can use to animate SVGs in our design pages, adding a new perspective to our designs. I'll be installing the plugin from the Figma community, loading it into my design files, and using it to animate one of my design pages. So let's get started. And for us to use this plugin, we have to install it from the Figma community. From my design file, I open Figma community. On the search bar, I will search for SVG. On the search results, I will click on SVG motion. But because I have it installed already, I won't be installing it again. I'll just close it and go back to my design file and close the one I have there before. I'll then go back to plugins and rerun the SVG motion plugin. And here it is. Having selected the page I want to animate, I can change the speed of animation, and there are so many features there like animation type, random line, rupture ratio, and at the end of everything we can download our animation. But because I'm making use of the free trial, there's limit to what I can do. You can check my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Make sure you subscribe and leave your notification on to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.